Hi, Mister.
Hi Walid, how are you?
Fine.
Alhamdulillah. Where is the other?
We need to wait.
Okay, so we have to wait. Mm-hmm.
Hello, only me and Walid.
Mansoor. So we are waiting the others. Where is the other?
They didn't
We
come and who's Fidi?
Example.
Good morning, Ustad.
Good morning, Abdulaziz. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah.
I now message in the group.
Mm-hmm. Where are the other?
they will come.
French. Theo came to us from French book.
What?
Theo came to us from French book.
Yes.
We have French now.
No, it's not French, but I said like you took Tom and Theo from the French book.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So,
No. We have computer. Alhamdulillah.
yes, okay. So, yeah, let's start, guys. So, the last time we saw together how to make sum here, the sum. So, we said that we put or we click on function. So, for example, here we put in function, okay? So, we have average, count, sum, if, hyperlink, etc. Okay, so we will take sum here, okay? And after that, for example, we have here, I will put, so for example, I will have, so I will take examples. Here, for example, I will take as 19, 20, 23, or this, for example, I put 23 here and 20 here. I put 100, and I will put here, for example, 5, here 10, etc. Okay. And I will put it in the center. Okay. So here, if I want, for example, if I want the sum here, the sum, if I have the sum, so I will show you. So we have two possibility. The first possibility, so we can make equal. Okay. So the equal is the synonym of sum, and I will put this one. So I click for this address D30, and I make plus E30, and I click on enter. Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I will show you.
Mister, I don't understand.
Raquel,
Yeah.
I just make a small revision about what we seen the last time, huh? How to make sum. So I said how to make sum here, how to have sum here. So I said here, I click on equal, and after that I click in any address I want. So for example, I will click on this address D. So D30 is the 23. So if we see here, you will have the address here. So equal D30 is here, okay? And after that, I make plus this address E30, okay? And I will click, and I will click on enter, okay? Enter. If I click on enter, so if I click on enter, I will have what? The sum. Okay. So now I will not do the same thing for all exercise, or for all this number. Okay. So I can make just what? Guys, you have a question? Okay. So I said this is the first solution, or the first possibility. We have another possibility. Which one? So I put the box what I want here, for example, and I will click on FX. FX. If you see here, we have insert function. So we will insert function here. This box will appear. On this box, what we have here in search of for function, type a brief description of what you want to do, and then click on go. So for example, here I will click on sum. And there we go. Okay, here I will have or selected or the category. So what we have here, we have many category. We have most recently used, all, financial, data and time, math trick, etc. So we don't need that, but we don't to select a function here. So we have to select the function. For example, here when we put here the sum, so we have
multiplication.
Good. So we have all the function about the sum. So if we have sum x, etc., nest, and etc. Okay. So I click on sum. When I make double click on sum, I will have this box. It named function arguments. So in function arguments here, we have number 1 and number 2. Okay. So in number 1, number 2, we can number 1 and number 2. So what we have here, to number 1, number 2, we have D30 to E30. If you have this one, D30 on E30. And also we can add another number. Okay, so add, so here what we have,
D31.
okay, so here what if you see here we have the solution. The solution equal 42. Why? Because we have 23 enter 19. What we have here, number one, number two are 1 to 2 55 numbers to sum, etc. Okay, so if I click on OK, I will have the sum here 42. Okay, for example, here I will change number one, or I will put on number two, so I can also have number two. Okay, so I come back to this, the insert function. I have this one, and for example, here we have this, the sum is 42. Okay, if we add, for example, plus 3, so we must have here what? We must have 45. So I will add 3 here. شفتوا انا كيف تبدلت اتغيرت صارت 45.
Yes.
Yes.
Here, for example, in number 3,
Yes.
if I click, for example,
Yes.
number 3, or I will not click on number 3, but I will click in another address. For example, this address, D33. Okay, so I will add D33. So here the result is 45, and if I will add the address D33, so I must have 50.
50.
So in here, in number 3 here, I click here, so it so here, and I will click here. Voila. Do you see here do you see here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so D33. So here,
Yes.
here the equation will be, so equal sum to D3 and E30. So D3 and E30, this one, and after that I put 3. Okay, and after that I add D33. So I come back here.
Sir, why did we write 3 between the E30 and D33?
Because we added 3. So here the result, if you have just the sum 23 plus 19, we will have 42. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I will come back here. So here we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, etc. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here, for example, my first equation was D30, okay, to E30. So D30, this one, to E30. So the result must be what? Must be
42.
42. Okay. You are
Okay.
here? Good.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So here in our example, we are adding in number 2. For example, we add 3 or we add 5. Okay, so for example, we will choose 4. Okay, this is the number. We added 4. So what do you see here? So it changed. Okay, it changed from 42 to 46. Because 42 plus 4 equal 46. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so in this number 3, for example, here we will ameliorate our equation. So I don't like to add number, but I will add address here. I want to
Mister,
add.
I cannot see the screen.
What do you not see?
No, I do not see your screen.
Now I see it.
I saw it.
I see it.
So there is something wrong with you, Sultana. You see it now, Sultan? Sultan. Sultan, are you here? Okay. The other. Did you understand this example? Are you here, guys? Guys? يا جماعة. الو. يا شباب.
Mister.
Are you here?
Yes, but what?
Yes, you. What?
Now I see. Now I see.
Okay, good. يلا. So يا جماعة. So I said here the example. So we did the example here. If we delete this one.
Oh, we will add
So
to the
here-
answer 3 or 4 or whichever
Okay,
number
so
we want.
For example, so we will add 4 here. So look at this. Look at this. The result change.
Changed
If I
by
delete
4
this
more.
one, I have 42. If I add 4, I will have 46. Okay. So in the third number, for example, I said I will not add number, but I will add address. So here I will add address. Okay. In number 3, I want to add address. Are you here?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Here, so I click on this little box, and I will choose address. So okay, for example, we will make this exercise. So 46, and if we will add this address E33. So E33, what's the value here?
Your voice is lagging.
I said, Walid, if we add this address E33, what's the value of E33 here? What's the value?
10.
Huh? 10.
10.
10, good. So if 10 plus 46,
56.
56. So we will see if our function, if our equation is true or false. So here I click on this one, and I will click on this address. So the function here, the function arguments will appear. So he asked me here, okay, what do you want or which address? So I said E33 up, E33. Okay. Now we will see the result.
Okay.
Now we see the result. We have 56. If I click here on OK, I will have 56 here. Okay.
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 If we
Okay.
if
Now
we,
now
change the numbers.
okay. Now I will repeat the same exercise for all of this value, but I will not do the same thing. So D31 to D33 to E31 plus, what's this?
It's from you.
What's this? Okay, Oracle, America, origine de fichier, disque dur sur cet ordinateur. Bah oui, hein. Ok, donc, alors là, qu'est-ce que j'ai? Excusez-moi, excuse me, so I talked French. Excuse me. So here, I said, dans Java, mise à jour des conditions de licence installées. La condition d'octroi de licence pour cette version du logiciel a été modifiée. Mise à jour du contrat. L'essence de cette version de Java résume est incroyable et uniquement définit une utilisation personnelle. Dans ce logiciel, des fins de connexion de canadique. Okay. I will see you later. So here I said, if I will do the same exercise, so it will take me more and more time. So what we have to do here? I just list this one to the end. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
And now, for example, so here what we have, 20 plus 20 equal 40. 40 plus what? Plus 4. Okay? Because we added 4.
Okay.
Plus 4, so we have 44. Here, for example, we have 100 plus 23 plus 4. It gives us
It will be
127. The same thing here. 5
Yes.
plus 10, 15 plus 4 equal 19.
19.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now, for
Okay.
example, here, for example, if I will change any value here, if I will change any value here, so also the result will change. So for example, here, if I will change this one 50. So we will have here 70, I think 77. So I will move it from 50. Okay. So the result change.
Okay.
So this is what we call
Okay.
this is what we call the autofill function. So here, for example, wait. Okay. So cell 22 per L. This is the L. Okay, so L 22 per 5. So this one I said L 22 per 5 also. This one I said equal average number. So number 1 to G21 to L21, G21 here to L21. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 will be 5. Okay. So,
Mister, I can't hear you.
you can't see me?
Hear you.
Okay. Excuse me. So here we said equal. Not equal. This sum divided by 5. Okay. So I said here, the average also I can do it. I can do with this exercise. So for this is what we call the autofill function. So the autofill function, if you take your book, page 42, we do not need to write the formula in each cell. So I said we have not to write the same formula in each cell. So here and here and here and here, etc. So what we have to do? Excel has a feature known as autofill that enables the user to copy a formula from a cell to the adjacent cells with the help of the fill handle button. To copy the formula in all the cells given below, we can drag the fill handle of the cell containing the formula like we done here. Okay? Is it
Okay.
Okay, it's clear.
so it's clear the autofill function, huh?
It's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Good. So the sum is calculated automatically in the consequent cell. We can calculate the average in a similar way, either by using the operator or by using the formula. The same thing. So we have to make the if we see in your book, so we'll have the equation. Okay.
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 Next time we see together the changing the weight of a column. Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Okay.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye. For your French
Bye.
lesson, you will have you have the video in the video lecture. Okay. So it will be registered.
Okay.
Mr. Rakan is drawing in your screen.
يلا راكان روح صور في كتابك بابا. يلا.
R.
Bye bye. Au revoir.
Bye.